Dollar Tree haul. $1.25 and $1.50. That's it. Let's get into this haul. So first off, we have the hand sanitizer case, brown. We did it. Then I got, this is the $1.50 item. Got the Elvis little air fresheners. I think these are so cute actually. So got those. You get 3 in there. Then I got the microfiber facial pads, the 4-pack. I love these colors. So got that. Then we have some new stuff. So this is Crayola. This is the Color Wonder Mess-Free Coloring Disney Princess. 8 coloring pages and 3 markers. So we got that. And that's the Disney Princess one. And then this one is the Mickey Mouse. And these were $1.25 in my store. So I got those. Then we got some makeup brush sets. So this is a 4-pack of makeup brushes, and there's like a little design on the brushes. So we have this set. And then we have the blue set, which is like rigged like the other one. And then we have the matte black set, which I definitely like. So that's bag number 1. We got the Calm Brown eyebrow tattoo thing. Then we got my favorite blush in the Raspberry Spice. Then I love the lip balm. This is Pink Mint. And then again, one of my favorite lip balms, the Glittery Grape from the Ioni collection, is the Dermacell Dry Skin Treatment Body Lotion. In this like winter and the cold, my skin is horribly dry. So like Dermacell is a name brand, so let's try it. So we got that to try. Then we got the Global Beauty Care Vitamin C Facial Serum. I don't know if this is just like a repackaging or what, but this looked new to me. So got that. I love serum, so. Then we got the Ioni matte lipstick in Peach Berry. I love this. This is probably one of my favorite ones. So I definitely restocked on that. Then got the Eco Tools like roller thing. This is fantastic. Put it in the freezer, trust me. Then I got the Blush Rose Lip Balm. These are fantastic, especially for in your purse and travel bag. So got that. Then we got this lipstick, this Revlon lipstick, and it is in the shade Sheer Kissable 805. So really pretty Revlon lipstick. So I'll take it out of packaging so you can kind of see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that is a really pretty color. See that? So got that. Then my favorite chapsticks, Ultimate. I will pick this up every time I see it. These are fantastic, trust me. Then we got a restock of the Honey Glaze Foot Balm. Again, this whole collection is fabulous. So got that. Then we got this Satin Chic Blender Sponge, but you get 2 in here. So, now let's see. It's easier to probably show you out of the bag than just show me the bag. So, get like this one, and then like this shape. So, pretty nice for $1.25. You get 2. Not bad. Then I did restock on this collection because I love this collection. It's the Rose Quartz Shimmering Glowing Facial Serum. And this, I love this collection. I was waiting for it to come back. So we got that. And then we got the Jade Balancing Moisturizer. Again, let's open her up, show you guys. But I love this collection. So, got that. Then, where's everything else? Here it is. Then we have a new Alice in Wonderland collection. So this is the lip balm, Time for Tea lip balm. Take it out. Maybe. So it just looks like that. Then we have the lip gloss. It doesn't say if it's like scented or anything. But here's the gloss. And then here is the, okay, so there's lip gloss. Okay, there's 2 lip glosses. So there's that. Then for the $1.75, I did get this mini Yahtzee game because I think it is actually so funny. Now, next bag. Okay, then our other game is like the mini Operation. And then mini Guess Who. Like, how cute are these for real? So got that. Then I don't remember. I feel like these are not new, but I feel like they haven't been out in forever. I don't remember them. The peach scented hand sanitizer. And then the confetti cake. I don't remember when these came out, if they did, but I got them because I don't remember them. So I got those. Then I got the Dermacell Whipped Recovery Cream. Again, name brand. I love this stuff. So of course, when I saw it, had to get it. Let me get it out of the package. Maybe. I can never get this stuff out. So it just looks like that. So got that. Then we got the facial serum to go with it. Sorry, it's like a bad glare. But we got the serum to go with it. Then got this Cherry Pepsi lip balm. This is literally so adorable. Yeah. But literally, just how cute is that though? So, got that. Then we got the Global Beauty Care Fruit Halo Coconut Sugar and Lactic Acid facial polish. I don't remember if we've seen this before or not. Sorry, the glare. But I got it because I don't remember seeing it. So we got that. Then, just like the new pink blenders, we have 2 black blenders. So we have the pink and the black. Then we got the Glow Up Highlighting Stick Dewy Shimmer Stick, e.l.f. dupe. And then my favorite thing is the Dewy Primer. So got the Dewy Finish Primer. Then we got the Le Mercier Hydration Gloss. This is the original. The slanted top is an original. This is the original, so I snagged that. Then we got the purple scrunchy towel set. I love these. These are amazing. Then we got the strawberry shortcake. Was it strawberry, lemon pie, and strawberry? So that's it for that bag. Okay, we have the raspberry swirl lip balm. Then we have the Dermacell melon jelly cleanser. Then how adorable is this new notebook? Like what? So of course got that. Then I restocked on the bronzer drops. Love these. Then these are coming back. My favorite face mask, the One Shop Ampule. Then these are making a comeback, and I loved this. So this is the Glow Vitamin C Face and Body Oil. And then we have the Smooth Face and Body Oil. Then we have the lip stains. So I got one of each. I got the Caramel, Pink Sugar, and Candy Apple. So that's that. Then I finally found all of the new like charm bracelets and charms and stuff. So like the charm bar. So we got this one. And then we got this bracelet. I'm just pulling them out. And then this certified bookworm. Then this one. Yeah, I'm just pulling them out of my bag, so there is so many different like kinds and stuff like that. But that completes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely found a few goodies that were $1.25, obviously. I have a couple $1.50. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for. Ask you on the hunt for your favorite item off that. And I do have a couple more penny videos to film. So yeah, so I'll be uploading those too. So stay tuned for that. Definitely subscribe. See you in the next one.